Best bow enchantments in Minecraft. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys, or I will be showing you guys some of the best bow enchantments in Minecraft. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So here the first one is mending. Mending enchantment is arguably the most craved power-up in the entire game. Every piece of the gear has limited durability and can break after a while. However, mending enchantment allows that gear to heal itself with XP points, essentially making it indestructible. It is worth of mentioning that it is a treasure enchantment and can only be found as chest loot from the librarian villager. Unfortunately, mending enchantment is mutually exclusive to infinity enchantment. Now the second one is infinity. Though the infinity enchantment is placed second, it can be the top choice for some players. This power allows players to shoot infinite arrows with a bow. Its only requirement is to have at least one bow in the inventory. Hence, players can create a powerful arrow with status effects and use it exclusively with the bow. As mentioned, infinity and mending enchantments cannot be applied to one bow. Hence, players will have to make a choice in this matter. Now here the third one is unbreaking. Unbreaking enchantment is the most basic yet effective way to save one's favorite bow in one game. This enchantment simply increases the gear's durability, allowing it to work longer. Of course, this does not make it indestructible as the mending enchantment does. This enchantment comes in 3 different levels. So this was for today's video, and these were some of the best enchantments for bow on Minecraft. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.